This is how you can fix YouTube search. So here you can see I'm searching for eWoodI type of a tree in private view. You can see that I am kind of seeing the videos that I want to see, but sometimes it may not work. So here you want to click on the video tab in the filters. So when you click the video in the filters, the search is going to show you only the videos related to the thing that you're trying to search. By default, YouTube is not doing this, and after a few videos it is going to show you some other videos you may have watched before or something else that is not related at all. So here you can see on my account I'm searching for the same thing, and you can see already after 4 or 5 videos here the YouTube is recommending me stuff that I have been watching before. So there's some music and other stuff previously watched, but I'm not searching for that. So here again you want to go up to the top of the page and you want to search the filter to videos. That way you will be able to see what you want to see and not some random stuff YouTube is recommending for you. So here, go up filters, click on videos, and now YouTube is only showing you the stuff you're actually searching for that it should be showing you in the first place. But yeah, this is how you can fix YouTube search. If there are any other videos you want to see, let me know. That's about it. See you next time.